Allah Allah Hüve Rabbuna Rahmani, Allah Allah Hüve Rabbuna Rahmani, İrham bi fazl şeyhina Geylani, İrham bi fazl şeyhina Şabani. Ya hay, ya hay, ya hay, ya hay. Ah sultanım sen varken ya ben kime yalvarayım yahu? Ah sultanım sen varken ya ben kime yalvarayım yahu? Allah Allah Hüve Rabbuna Rahmani, Allah Allah Hüve Rabbuna Rahmani, İrham bi fazl şeyhina Geylani, İrham bi fazl şeyhina Şabani. Ya hay, ya hay, ya hay, ya hay. İsmin gani settarken ya ben kime.
We are here under the watchful hospitality of Asadatul Qadriya, and it is my privilege to be the guest of the great Qadri Zawiya in Sarajevo this time last year. I remember with great affection and awe and inshallah khushu' one of my teachers, Shaykh Fejzulah Hadzibajric, Allah have mercy on his soul, in whose home I would stay during my visit to Sarajevo. And he was a master of the inward as well as the outward sciences, the great translator of the El-Bosnevi into Bosnian, and the imam of the Gazi Husrev Beg Mosque, the main mosque in Sarajevo, and one of the great saints of Europe in his day. And last year I visited his tekke, and some of you who've been to the stalls here will notice that my lectures, this is the commercial break, are available, and only for the next couple of hours, because if there are any unsold, I'll be taking them back with me, inshallah, to Cambridge, because I have to leave. And we recorded these lectures on the Ihya al-Ulumuddin of Imam Ghazali on DVD. That was under the watchful hospitality of Al-Qadiriya.
Allah Allah Hüve Rabbuna Rahmani, Allah Allah Hüve Rabbuna Rahmani, İrham bi fazl şeyhi.